In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery. So on the battery, there are 3 screws. Here's one, and here is the 3rd screw. So you'll need to remove those screws. Let me move it up here in case you couldn't see those. So here was one at the top and then the other one. So I will quickly remove those 3. The screws have been removed. You can lift the battery up out. Now there's a cable here that needs to be disconnected. Okay, so right here is the cable, and we need to carefully pull that out. I'm going to use some needle nose pliers. Make sure you grab the plastic. If you're using the needle nose pliers, make sure you get a hold of the plastic. Don't pull on the wires. That will pull the wires out of the connector piece and really cause problems. Okay, and then there's a little tab over here on the side that slides into the groove there, so when you put it back on, you want to slide that in and set it down in. And then here you can kind of see the little tab that's on the plastic there that I'm getting a hold of to pull on that. So that's what I'm using to pull instead of the wires. Okay, now to replace the battery, it's just moving in reverse. So I'm sliding that back in, set it down, push the wires, that connector back on. You might need a screwdriver or something to gently push on it to get it set in good. Okay, and then just replace the 3 screws, and that's all there is to replacing the batteries in a Lenovo 300e.